Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown of Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary for Wednesday. It's about 2:25 Eastern Time. Very strong day in the grain markets today, and a little bit two-sidedness in cotton. So we've got a lot to talk about in a little bit of time, so let's just get on it. Cotton today, of course, you go back to yesterday, cotton sharply lower yesterday on a report that showed China was importing less cotton. But overnight, it sort of sloughed that off and rallied up back to almost 85.5 cents in the new crop. But here we broke back and closed around 84.29, only up about 25 points today. And July cotton actually may finish lower. So that's, not very strong looking market. We had some bullish news on Monday and we couldn't rally. Then we get bearish news and we definitely break. And then we tried to save ourselves today. And I think really failed. So the market, cotton may be willing here to start trading lower as we go into the post Memorial Day holiday. Over in the grains, how quickly it can change. We were all concerned about too wet to plant, and then we got the crop in the ground, and all of a sudden the market's starting to take note of these longer-term weather forecasts, which call for the Midwest to be above normal temperature, and in some areas maybe below normal rainfall. And that's not widespread across the Midwest, but in a lot of areas. And of course, the crop still, the three I's, that is to say Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, they still are behind on their planting. So corn did a reverse today, with spot corn up 18 cents. September closed up about 15 cents, 5.62. Wheat today tried to rally. As a matter of fact, wheat led the way. But then quickly succumbed to spreading. That is to say, people were buying corn, selling wheat, buying beans, selling wheat. And so that kept wheat somewhat at bay. And speaking of beans, they were strong again today. Spot July beans approaching $15, up about 17 cents. New crop beans up 18 cents, 12.39. So all that to say how quickly the face of the markets can change. And that's just the nature of these markets. These are futures markets, which mean it's not today's news that really drives us. It's what could happen in the future, and we spend all of our time thinking about the future and discounting events that might come down the road. So with the uncertainty of the weather and a 3-day weekend and the fact we're so oversold, I could see why these grains wanted to rally today. This could give us a great chance to do some pricing. But let's not be so quick on that. Let's see how the market does indeed behave. Stock market is rolling over a little bit today for the first time in a great while, and it's way overbought. And we could see a big correction there, and that would be a little bit negative, I guess. If any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.